Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious caramel using your microwave. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You will also need a large, microwave-safe bowl, at least 2 quarts in size, to prevent any spills. Have a whisk and a heat-resistant spatula ready for mixing. Now let's get cooking. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine the 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir these ingredients together until they are well combined. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds. After this first heating, carefully remove the bowl and stir the mixture thoroughly with your whisk. Next, we'll achieve that beautiful caramel color and consistency. Return the bowl to the microwave and heat it again on high for another 1 to 2 minutes. Keep a close eye on it during this stage, as caramel can burn quickly. You are looking for a rich, golden brown color and a noticeably thicker texture. Stir the mixture vigorously after this heating to ensure everything is evenly cooked and smooth. Almost done. To enhance the flavor, carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be cautious, as the mixture will be very hot. Once mixed, pour your freshly made caramel into a clean, heat-safe jar or dish. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes to an hour. As it cools, it will thicken further, becoming perfect for drizzling over desserts or enjoying by the spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.